Hi my loves, welcome. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today's healing energy session is called Reclaiming Your Power. I trust that divine timing has brought you here. All you need to do to receive this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. Acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Eyes open, eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Just wait till that car goes past. So just taking a nice breath and settling into your sit bones, feeling into your body, allowing in your mind's eye to surface where in your life you feel like your power is being drained from you. If it's in relation to another person, if it's your work, if it's your home life, your community. Today we're just going to clear your energy field and call back your power. So say with me now, I release all energy that doesn't belong to me. I release all energy that doesn't belong to me. I release all energy that doesn't belong to me. Take a deep breath. Feel in your heart the power generator, the force that animates your life, the pulse that animates your being. Receiving this beautiful infusion of golden energy from the source of all creation. This is your power source. This is an infinite source of power available to you. Breathing in, vitality, nourishment, vigor, motivation, empowerment. And if there's thoughts about who might be trying to siphon or drain or access your life force, your power center, that there is no commitment to or that doesn't serve you. Obviously, if you have children, that's a give and take. That's an energy that you give. But just being aware of anybody in your field that might be draining your power. And if this is any kind of diminishment or belittlement, someone's put you down, someone's talked down to you, or if you've noticed you feel small in somebody's company, diminished in any way, if your insecurities surface, just being kind to yourself right here, right now, and just acknowledging the little child within that maybe felt powerless, maybe didn't get the love you needed or craved or yearned for, maybe felt abandoned, rejected, neglected. Just go ahead and take a beautiful, sweet, deep, rich breath right into the heart, nurturing that inner child. And right here, right now, we're going to give that child the love that maybe they never got. You're going to give it to yourself. Whatever age you take yourself to as a little child where you felt you didn't get what you needed. Just take this nourishment from the source of all creation, this love, unconditional love. It's an infusion of goodness, an infusion of nourishment, an infusion of support. Take another deep breath. And as you allow yourself to be filled with this beautiful energy from the source of all creation, you can feel an expansion in your being. This is a natural response to having your cup filled. Beautiful expansion in your energy field. As you're getting what you need. And affirm with me now. I have everything that I need right here, right now. The universe provides everything I need right here, right now. I always have what I need right here, right now. I am safe. I am nourished. I can feel that humming. So we're all aligning with the source of all creation. Start to feel it as a resonance in your being. Maybe the mind settles with this resonance. May you receive clarity on the way forward. May your inner guidance system be on point. May your family, your home, your loved ones, your animals be protected. Be empowered to follow their own path with their own guidance. Yes. Thank you, my loves.